one of the projects that we're potentially looking at now is for students, really. It's about sexual education and development, and using this type of intelligent chatbot to provide them with guidance around the development that they're going through and also answer questions that they have. But those questions are supported by real facts and additional sources of information that they can go and read about. So they can trust that information. ChatGPT and these similar types of models called LLMs, large language models, they've been trained on a huge amount of data that's available typically from the internet. And I think off the mark, they're already quite good, and they've got quite a broad sense of general knowledge and also specific knowledge. But what you can then do is you can take that base and you can add additional layers of your own information on top of that, so that the model, when it responds, it not only has what it was originally trained on, but it's got all of that additional training that you provided that's more specific to your environment. It involves health and safety. So working at a high risk plant, they're looking at how can they take advantage of their video feeds from their cameras to improve the safety of the environment that their workers are in. So these cameras will be linked to an AI model that will then detect whether either they're not wearing the appropriate health and safety gear, or they're not working in the area that's high risk in the way that they should be. So you don't want to keep building rules. Traditionally, you would have a set of 1,000 rules that would help to identify if there was a problem. What AI brings in now is you don't write the rules. The AI learns the rules, and it helps you to identify where the negative or positive outcome is. Embrace AI, don't fear it, and don't avoid using AI for the wrong reasons. Rather, look at how it can improve the process. And for teachers, I think just like in science and biology classes, nothing's really better than hands-on practical experience. So I think that would be the first part. So not only for the teachers, but obviously for the learners as well, to have some form of lab where they're able to go through very simple examples, understand the basics of what it is, and how to understand how it is impacting the area that you're working in or going into that field after school. What are the things that are already, sort of being impacted by AI, and try not to avoid it, but use that as a skill set that you introduce as part of coming into the workforce. And people will lose jobs, but I feel that AI will create more jobs than take away. And for every job that AI takes away, I expect it to create 3 or 4 other types of jobs. So the workplace will evolve, and you'll find that AI helps to support you to achieve your goals so that you can do it faster, so that you can focus on more complex tasks. The requirement will start becoming just to make the job interview. You probably need some kind of analytical or AI experience or skill set, and that will just become part of the job that you're doing.